Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spinnaker Healthcare Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Dale Strong, and this video will be our Excel tutorial on formatting data as an Excel table. As always, you can either contact us via the QR code seen here, or feel free to comment on the video. So we're going to start with opening our patient log template. There should be a link to this template in the description of this video, so take a look for that. If not, reach out to us or comment and we'll make sure that we can send you this file if you want to follow along. So as we start, we're going to look at our mock patient log here. It looks pretty similar to what you'd see for any kind of stroke program, or if you're not in stroke, maybe cardiac, anything related to a process-based healthcare program. Usually you'll have patient logs for each patient. You'll have, our time metrics or any kind of patient related data, such as here we have arrival mode or the day of the year that this patient came in. We go through steps like door to ED physician all the way to treatment times. So this is pretty common that we see in stroke programs. And one of the most important tools that I think as far as getting started with an Excel project is formatting your data into an Excel table. It gives you a lot more functionality, and we'll go into that in subsequent videos. But let's start with just making the data into a table. So as you can see here, our data is stored in cells A9, and it goes all the way down to H58. So what we want to do, right now it's all in raw data into this Excel sheet. What we're going to want to do is we're going to select this and drag, and you just drag all your data. Make sure that you get it all included like that. You'll notice the green border and it'll be shaded. We're going to go to the home tab up here. And as you can see here in the ribbon, there is an icon called Format as a Table. So let's go ahead and hit that, and we're just going to pick one of the styles. There's a bunch of different styles, or you can personalize it with your own style based on your program's color schemes or anything like that. Now, as you can see, it has A9 through H58, so that has taken all our data. And it has this checkbox that says My Table has headers. Headers are going to be a row of descriptive words that you're going to have at the top of your data set. Sometimes you might just have raw data that goes right into, say, the patient level data, in which case you would want to uncheck that, and it'll make a header row for all your data. But since we already have descriptors up here, we're going to leave this checked, and it's going to turn these into headers, and you'll see what happens. So we're going to hit OK. And now all our Excel data is in a format of a table. You can tell that it worked based on the fact that all these headers now have these drop-down abilities, and it is now codifying every option available in that column. So this is the beginning start of functionality when it comes to utilizing your data. For example, you can then be able to, if you go by day of the year, it will pull in, you can only look at, certain months that are available or years. If you want to then only view your EMS private vehicle patients, you can uncheck PV, and it now is only showing your EMS patients. It gives you a lot more functionality with your data. We're just going to undo that, and it goes right back, and it keeps all your data consistent. So if you manipulate data, it's not going to delete anything or things like that. Also, once you get moving forward after this, if you have any functions or formatting that you want to apply to your data, by starting with a data table and then doing functions and formatting within the table, if you add or remove rows of data, it will keep it consistent as you move forward. So this is always where I start first step. Most of our further videos that are showing different, functionality with an Excel or how to manipulate your data from a stroke program standpoint, this will probably be the first step. So definitely earmark this video to make sure that you know how to get started with this first step. So once again, if you have any comments, concerns, questions, feel free to reach out to us or drop a comment in the video below. Thanks for watching.